Hey, what's up? I'm Steve. Hope you're having a great day. So, you ready to learn some Journey? That's a classic right there. Who's Crying Now? And I'm going to show you the even easier way to do it. I'll show you some of those extra notes, and I've got a couple more songs here from different albums that we're gonna learn in just a couple of minutes. All right, first up, Lovin, Touchin, Squeezin, maybe the most fun Journey song ever to play on acoustic guitar. In the middle, it starts rocking. Extra notes right there as a bonus, but we'll keep it easy strumming. So it starts off in A major. Just lay a finger down or play a regular A major in palm mute. And there's a little harmonic too. Put your finger on the 5th fret of the low E, A, D, and G strings and go like that. You know that harmonic that Neil Schon comes in with, and A. And you can either palm mute that or add the blues right there from the 2nd to 4th of the D string. You may be weak, A, and wanna die. You go to a D right here, a D major with palm muting right there, and if you can, do the walk up on the way there. Open A, 2nd, 4th, and then D string right there. You go to an F sharp minor, just tearing you apart, to A, every day, like that, F sharp minor. You can bar it like that if you want to, and back up to A, however you do it. But if you want to sound more like the record, go like this. Tearing you apart, and walk it back up. So you're just going from the open A to the 4th of the E, 3rd of the low E, down to that 2nd of the low E, into that F sharp minor, and then you walk it back up. Oh girl, what can you say? F sharp minor, G, A, like that, and then F sharp minor, G, like that, and that's after a couple verses and choruses, and then it goes like this. You lay your finger flat right here is you go like this. Right here, you're going to sort of like a D major, but you're leaving the open A string right there. So you got the 4th fret of the D string, and you still got this one on the 2nd fret of the G, and put this finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and hit that with the open A and go. And that nice. So you start off on that and go. And then back off to the A. And don't even worry about that high string right there. So you go. Sharp minor, G. Next up, let's learn Send Her My Love. It's got that beautiful guitar and keyboard intro. Really nice, I'll show you that in a second. But it's mostly an E minor, so let's do the chords. C, E minor, C, E minor to B minor, C, does it again. Get some, real emotional strumming. E minor, B minor, C, A minor to B minor, and then it goes like this. So right there, I'll show you this one. It's the 3rd fret of the B string, and then 3rd of the high E to the 2nd of the high E, and then open, and you're in E minor. Very cool, isn't that nice? So E minor, then you go to a D major, but one of the keys here is put your thumb on the 2nd fret of that low E string. Creates that nice walk up, and then you go to a C major. It's really an A. You could do an A or really an A minor, E minor, C a couple times. Then it does the verse again and the chorus again, and then in the middle it goes C, E minor. B minor, and that guitar solo comes in, and you do the chorus type thing again. E minor, D, C, A minor, E minor, C, all those cool notes from Neil Schon. And the one we started with, Who's Crying Now, in A minor, and I'll show you some of those bass notes in a second. They're really cool and they add a lot of spice to the song, but you start off in A minor and go like that. So you're playing an A minor, however many fingers you use, and just remove the B string, open and back on like that. So mystery like that to F major, and still they try to C, and then D minor, E minor, Hurt So Bad, A minor. Like that. That's the easy way to do it. So, like that. And the bass note goes like this. Open E string, low E, to the 3rd fret. Just add that finger right there, and then back to the A minor. F major, D minor, E minor, Hurt So Bad, A minor. And then it goes like this. Isn't that cool? So hit the open E again, low E, 3rd fret, open A string, and then 3rd of the A string, and then quickly get to that 2nd fret right there on that A string, and then back into A minor, and you're ready for the chorus and start strumming along. F major, D minor, E minor, same chords, A. So that's the chorus, the same exact 4 chords, you're just strumming them out. And then in the middle of the song, or the bridge, it goes to an F major, only so many tears. Sorry, I forgot. It goes to D minor, You Can Cry, A minor. Goes back to the F major, to the heartache is over, D minor again, and now C major, and now you can, G major, your love. We go to B flat, will never die, A minor. And if you can, let's do this one that I showed you at the very beginning of the video. In that suite right there, so hit the open A string, and then get to an A minor shape here, where you got this one on the 7th of the D string, and this one on the 5th of the G, B, and high E strings. And if you can, you don't need to hit that D string if you want. You just leave that off and go. But when you do that, it's easier to accidentally hit the D, so it's better to go like this. Like that. And then go down into this shape. It's a G major, so you got this finger on the 3rd fret of the high E and B strings, with that one on the 4th of the G. And then you go down to an A minor, those top notes right there in the A minor, and back into that same G that we just did. And when you put it together and keep that A string ringing, check this out. Doesn't that sound awesome on acoustic guitar? I love that riff right there. If you can learn that one, it'll, take you to another level. So give me some suggestions for Journey and anything else, and I'll catch you around the channel. Later.